how content creation can help you boost your emotional intelligence. Wow, emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions as well as recognize and empathize with the emotions of others, right? Creating content, whether it is through writing, filming, or designing, allows you to tap into the creativity and express your emotions in a meaningful way. This can help you become more aware of your own feelings and how to manage effectively. Furthermore, when you create content that resonates with others, it can help you develop empathy and understand different perspectives. This is crucial in building strong relationships and connections. So, next time you create content, think about how it can not only engage your audience but also help you develop your emotional intelligence. Let me know if this resonates with you and you could follow it. Thank you.
We all have different kinds of intelligence, each playing a unique role in our lives. We have the intelligence that helps us solve math problems, allowing us to navigate complex equations and logical puzzles, and the intelligence that helps us understand science, enabling us to explore the mysteries of the universe and make groundbreaking discoveries. But there's another kind of intelligence that is just as important, if not more so: emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others. It's a skill that can be developed and refined over time. It's about being aware of how we feel, why we feel that way, and how our emotions affect our thoughts and behaviors. This self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. It's also about being able to recognize and understand the emotions of those around us, fostering empathy and compassion in our interactions. Emotional intelligence is essential for success in all areas of our lives. It helps us build strong relationships, communicate effectively, resolve conflicts peacefully, and achieve our goals. It helps us build strong relationships, communicate effectively, resolve conflicts peacefully, and achieve our goals. Whether in personal relationships or professional settings, emotional intelligence is a key factor in our overall success and well-being. In a world that often feels chaotic and uncertain, emotional intelligence is more important than ever. It provides us with the tools to stay grounded and focused, even in the face of adversity. It's the key to navigating challenges with resilience, building meaningful connections, and living a fulfilling life. By cultivating emotional intelligence, we can enhance our ability to connect with others, understand ourselves better, and create a more harmonious and balanced life. EQ stands for Emotional Quotient. It's a measure of your emotional intelligence, which is crucial in both personal and professional settings. Just like IQ measures your intellectual abilities, EQ measures your emotional abilities, which are equally important for success. There are 5 key components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Each of these plays a vital role in how we navigate our lives. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions. It involves being in tune with your feelings and how they affect your thoughts and behavior. Self-regulation is the ability to manage your emotions effectively. This means staying in control, even in stressful situations, and not letting your emotions dictate your actions. Motivation is the driving force behind our actions. It's what propels us forward even when faced with obstacles. It's about having a clear sense of purpose and the determination to achieve your goals. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It allows us to connect with people on a deeper level and build stronger relationships. Social skills are the tools we use to interact effectively with others, build relationships, and navigate social situations with grace. These skills are essential for teamwork and leadership. By developing these 5 areas, you can enhance your overall EQ and unlock a world of possibilities. Improving your emotional intelligence can lead to better decision-making, improved relationships, and greater success in all areas of life. You might be wondering how creating content like writing stories, making videos, or posting on social media can help you develop emotional intelligence. It might seem like these activities are more about expressing yourself creatively than boosting your EQ. However, the process of creating content can be a powerful tool for emotional growth. When you create content, you tap into your emotions and explore them in a safe and constructive way. Writing, video making, and social media engagement require you to think about your audience, consider their perspectives, and craft your message in a way that resonates with them. This process naturally cultivates empathy as you strive to understand and connect with others through your work. Writing, whether it's fiction or non-fiction, requires you to step into the shoes of others. To create compelling characters or write authentically about real-life experiences, you need to understand their motivations, their fears, their hopes, and their dreams. This process of putting yourself in someone else's shoes is the very essence of empathy. By writing stories, you develop a deeper understanding of the human experience and become more attuned to the emotions of those around you. Whether you're crafting a short story, writing a blog post, or simply journaling about your day, the act of putting your thoughts and feelings into words can be incredibly therapeutic and can help you connect with others on a deeper level. Section 5. Lights, camera, connection video as a mirror to self-awareness. Video creation offers a unique opportunity for self-reflection and self-awareness. When you create a video, you're essentially putting yourself out there for the world to see. This can be a daunting task, but it can also be incredibly liberating. As you plan, film, and edit your video, you're forced to confront your own thoughts, feelings, and insecurities. You become more aware of your body language, your tone of voice, and the way you come across to others. This heightened self-awareness is invaluable for personal growth. It allows you to identify areas where you can improve your communication skills, boost your confidence, and present yourself more authentically. Section 6. Real-world results. How content creators cultivate emotional intelligence. Countless examples demonstrate how content creation fosters emotional intelligence. Take, for instance, the writer who, through crafting fictional narratives, develops a profound ability to empathize with individuals from diverse walks of life. Or consider the video blogger whose vulnerability in sharing their personal journey inspires viewers to confront their own emotions and foster deeper connections with others. Social media, despite its criticisms, can be a platform for building empathy and understanding. Engaging in thoughtful discussions online, sharing personal stories, and actively listening to perspectives different from your own can broaden your horizons and cultivate compassion. Section 7. Your journey to emotional brilliance starts now. You don't need to be a professional writer, filmmaker, or social media influencer to reap the emotional benefits of content creation. Start small and experiment with different formats until you find what resonates with you. Keep a journal, write short stories, create photo essays, film yourself talking about your passions, or share your thoughts on social media. The most important thing is to be authentic, vulnerable, and willing to explore your emotions through your work. Remember, you don't have to share everything you create with the world. Content creation can be a deeply personal and therapeutic process. Section 8. Overcoming fear and embracing vulnerability. One of the biggest hurdles to content creation is overcoming the fear of judgment. It's natural to feel vulnerable when sharing your work with others, but it's important to remember that vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. By embracing vulnerability, you open yourself up to deeper connections, greater creativity, and profound personal growth. Don't be afraid to share your story, your thoughts, and your feelings. You never know who might resonate with your message and be inspired by your courage. Section 9. Content creation. A gift that keeps on giving. The benefits of content creation for emotional intelligence extend far beyond the act of creating itself. When you engage in the process of creating content, whether it's writing, designing, or producing videos, you are not just expressing your thoughts and ideas. You are also honing your ability to understand and manage your emotions. As you share your work with others, you receive feedback, engage in discussions, and build relationships with people who share your interests. This interaction is crucial because it allows you to see different perspectives and understand how your work resonates with others. This process of connecting with others, receiving constructive criticism, and refining your craft helps you develop social skills, self-regulation, and empathy. By learning to accept feedback gracefully and using it to improve, you become more resilient and adaptable. Moreover, seeing the positive impact your work can have on others can be incredibly motivating and empowering. It reinforces the idea that your efforts are not in vain and that you have the power to influence and inspire. Knowing that your words or videos have touched someone's life or inspired them to make a positive change can boost your self-esteem and fuel your desire to create even more meaningful content. This cycle of creation, feedback, and improvement is truly a gift that keeps on giving, enriching both your life and the lives of those who engage with your work. Section 10. Unleash your potential, create, connect, and thrive. In today's fast-paced world, emotional intelligence is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. By embracing content creation as a tool for emotional growth, you can navigate the challenges of life with greater resilience, build more meaningful relationships, and unlock your full potential. Start creating today and watch as your emotional intelligence soars, empowering you to lead a more fulfilling and impactful life. Remember, the power to connect, to inspire, to make a difference. It all starts with a single act of creation.